Assalamu alaikum. La ilaha illallah. قلت لك يا اخي معلش لنفرين الجو ولا عايزين يستمعوا. والله العظيم انا فات اللايف ده مرتين، دي مرة الثالث قلت اجربه. يعني قعدت لي تقريبا ماشي ل 10 دقيقة. There is nobody, man. So I was suspecting maybe they're reporting my room or something like that. Or Amolos hijack. Good afternoon, ya Garnya Garmali. What's up, Chanyir? You know? Yeah, man, I cannot see anybody, man. Seems like somebody just hijacked my my Facebook. I cannot see anything. Nobody, man, for the past almost 10 minutes. I just shut it down. I don't know what's going on, but it is what it is. The facts always have to be facts. We are not here having problem with nobody. Roslinda Marhab. Roslinda Fastino, welcome, guys. Yes, brother. You know, long time. This is what we used to talk in Clubhouse, remember? You know, this is what we used to talk about that. We say that, Jama, there is no need for us to forgive those people. Enemy always have to be enemy. انت ما ممكن تغير العدو لأخوك. ما ممكن تبقي أخوك عدو بتاعك ده أخوك. لأنه هو قاعد يقتلك. نقوله بياتروتان تاني. Which language do we supposed to talk? We keep saying that. Ya Junubin. Let's take this word to Juba. ولا يا أخي ولا يا أخي في راجل بتاعنا في أبو بتاعنا في مندن بتاعنا اسمه رياك مشارينك. يا الدنيا يا زول. Because of one person, the whole Nuer have to die because of him. Huh? Because of one person, the Nuer has to pay the price. Because of one person, the Nuer of Bantu and the Nuer of Makandes Mushinoda. Huh? Bull. Yikuna abit bitajeng. يخدم وجن وجن يدم قروش امسك تلو اخواتكم امسك تلو امهاتكم وانت هنا ما دار تستفيد. My condolences going to the whole entire Nuer around the world. Your problem, you don't want to take it from the people who like Bashir. You can hear the words of Bashir. It sounds like the words cannot help, cannot bring change. No. Who told you that? All these Dinka have been doing it, so you cannot enter Juba. Today, the Dinka come with the ideology of Dugdal Adu Bel Adu. You from the Nuer, go kill the Nuer. Kill the children. Kill the Habobat. Kill everybody. So those Nuer can get scared not to come Juba. This is what is going on exactly. So people like Bashir, he's the son of another Mundeng. Bugulek, Mushkila Betagda, Juba. You Nuer, to be free. To be free in your entire life, you need to reach to Juba. There is millions of people there are waiting for you. Don't feel like you by yourself. There are so many people. But you, as a Nuer, you don't want to live this ideology of Mundeng. Huh? It will finish you in South Sudan. It will finish you in South Sudan. You need to forget about this ideology of Mundeng and all this stuff. This thing is beyond. Okay? Not because of the Mundeng, you have to be finished in South Sudan. If we ask the question, what are that little baby has done? If we ask the question, what have that grandmother has done? So who's all bita akuma bardo umudmerit? Jana suker ma bar bitkalam bardo mudmerit? Kalam de siyasa bita jenya junubin. Adenka humma ma aizin in Juba de yit wala. Juba le wala denka inta. We tell you, man. We tell you, we try our best to give you that tips. We give you everything. So to understand, is stop being an idiot. The Dinka know that Juba, if it's blow out, they have no any place they can hide it. The Dinka know that they're going to be the refugees in the another countries for the cost what they have cost to the 63 tribes of South Sudan. You see this government of Dinka called Salva Kiir, that government is based on criminals to lead the country. You see it. So now, you want to play as a real rebel. He's look at you, he's laughing on you because you're an idiot. You cut our people, you cut our militias, and you give it back to us. We will send them back to you to kill you and rape you and abuse you. This is how the Dinka are in South Sudan. The mentality of the Dinka, they want to build a kingdom of Dinka in South Sudan. They are not there just to negotiate with you. Huh? Only if you cannot understand the mind of people who are the Mundeng. I'm the son of Mundeng. But not the Mundeng of the Nuer. No, the Mundeng of where I'm coming from. Okay? When I'm telling you something, you keep turning your back to what I'm talking about it. That's why you will be finished in South Sudan. We're giving you everything, Nuer. The Dinka want to finish you, want to reduce your numbers in South Sudan, so you cannot be threat to them. In the future, you don't listen. How many of you are being killed by the Dinka? Who are those Jeng behind or control the whole entire Dinka to do that to Nuer? Do you think it's Salva Kiir by itself? Salva Kiir is to take order. You don't know where the order is coming from. All you see is Salva Kiir in the power. You see it. All you think Salva Kiir is in the power. He is the one who's doing all this. But you don't see behind the shadow or behind the curtains where Salva Kiir is sitting. Who are those behind him? So when we give you a lot of advice that politically you are not powerful as a Nuer. Militarians, that's the nature of you. God designed you as the warriors. You are not a talking person. Where do you learn the talking? You learn from the Riek Machar, the son of the Mundeng. This is called the useless Mundeng. That's not the true Mundeng. It's the useless Mundeng called Dr. Riek Machar. Son of the food lovers who don't care about you. The people, all these leaders who care about you, you don't want to listen to them. People like Peter Gedet. The vision of Peter Gedet, you nowhere turn your back. That he's an educated person. that he's an useless human being, that he don't understand. Only the PhD holder, Dr. Riek Machar. What the hell is Dr. Riek Machar knows? If the man, another man can come and kill his own wife or girlfriend, you cannot revenge. You cannot do anything. It's called that Dr. Riek Machar is the man who took the life of his own girlfriend from the Britons. That white lady. Who took it? It's not a Jonkering? That he react? That he do something? Do you think he care to do something about you, Nuer? You are just an idiot. You don't want to listen to the truth. And that's why you be circling like this. Like a dog want to bite his own tail, but cannot reach to bite his own tail. This is you. Because every single advice we give it to you. We say that push to Juba. There is a lot of people there. As soon a small fire, if it's going on in Juba, you will see the reaction of the whole Junubin. People are tired. People just want this Juba to go down. And you don't want to do that because you are God. I'm not insulting you. This is the facts. You have to listen to it. I'm not your enemy. I'm here to advise you. I'm here just to advise you. Not personal issues or personal problem. No. It's all about don't look down on people who give you advice. Do your own maths on those advice. Is it really going to help or not? When we ask you questions, are you fighting because of your innocent citizen who've been abused, who've been killed since 2013 all the way to 2026? Or you are fighting because of one individual, human, who has not any value, or he's not even valuing you as a Nuer? Fight for your right. Always when you're fighting for your right, the God is in heaven, is watching you. And it will support you. Because you're fighting for your right. Everything you're fighting for it, if it makes sense, God will give you power. But if you're fighting for somebody else, that's turning you today, as a Nuer, you don't even know what you are doing. I want you to go back to your senses. What is the reason you're carrying a gun in 2013? Is it Riek Machar or the innocent children of Nuer? You have to make that decision. Because that decision is on you, not on anybody. If you're fighting because of Dr. Riek Machar, you are a loser. And you are a selfish. And you are an idiot. But if you are fighting because of the innocent civilians who've been killed before their day that God gave it to them to live in this world, being killed by the Dinka, you turn your back to them, you are not going nowhere. So think, my friend, I'm not here to give you pressure or to tell you what you can do. But me as a human being, I'm here all these years talking on social media because the Dinka are killing the innocent citizen of the country. So when you see me here talking about you, because I feel sorry to you. Why? Because you are citizen. You are not valuing them. You are not value your own citizens. But I'm valuing your own citizen. Why? Because I'm seeing them as a human being and they has a future in their lives. But you don't see them as a human being. You see them as any dog. That's you, Nuer. I'm telling you. You guys never care about your own citizen. You guys never care about your own citizen. If you guys can kill your own citizen, who can carry gun or knife, kill his own brother? This is never happened in entire life. Even us, we've been the Dinka dominate us, we Equatorian in Equatoria. But we never carry gun to kill ourselves. We never reach on that level. But you reach on that level, meaning you've been manipulated by the Dinka into the end. You are very, very selfish, very, very, very stupid, and the dog to Dinka. Because how can you have a gun to kill your own brother, or to kill your own sister, or to kill your own child? You Nuer, trust me, man. I'm telling you, if you guys want to take the advice, you guys will never get the advice from like the way I was telling you. And nobody can talk to you like this. You know, nobody. Trust me. Trust me, nobody. This thing is paining me when I can see that child. What has he done? Just a question or just a comment. What was that child has done wrong? That he politician? That he opposition? So how about that grandmother? Does he a rebel? Ya jamana. Wallahi Jubada, ya Dinka. Wallahi ya Dinka. Witu ya Nuer tanel muarasin del bitabantu del. Wallahi yoma Dinka del. Itu del nas bantu del. Wallahi lazim. Indakum itu hatitabu fi Junub Sudan. Hatitabu fi Junub Sudan. Yom de Dinka de ahna bin turdu min Junub da. Itu Nuer bantu del. Wallahi ya tabga Nuer Fanjak, ya tabga Nuer Nasir. Bitom kuru hajis mu bantu da. Gal wilad wahda. Wahda shuna ya akhi? Itu was khanin ya zol. Wahda wilad wahda. Wilad wahda shuna ya zol? Itu was khanin ya zol sajmanin sakit ya akhi. Wilad wahda bita shunu? Indakum wahda? Ya abid bita Dinka? Ya jamaa ya akhi. Khafu Allah ya akhi. Khafu Allah ya akhi. Khafu Allah ya akhi. Huh? Yani jen. Ya jamaa, jen amal shunu? When we ask the question, what was the child does wrong? Ya jamaa itu. Wallah lazim. المهم أنا ذاته زي ما أنا قلت short message. I don't want to push it too much because it's hurt. Why? Because a lot of citizens, it's been abused in this country called South Sudan by the Dinka. Now time for the Dinka to use their own slaves, which is working with them in J1, okay, to kill their own people. Ya jamaa. Ya kide wallahi lazim Tarik Junub Sudan da ana marif baktibu kef badina jama. Tarik bita Junub Sudan da ana marif. How are they going people, how the those are PhD holders to write to write the history of South Sudan? I don't know, man. I don't know. But me myself, ana Bashir da wallahi lazim lo big up to dini millions of dollars got noktul janai. Wala noktul ikotoran zayana da bikalam gurush. Wallahi I cannot do. Wallahi fuck money and fuck everything, man. Wallahi ko summal gurush that. Ana bite talk to roh bitazon mindu maag mushkila. For what? Because of money? Ya jama, ya Nuer. Ya Nuer. Asmo kalam. Kwais? Itu gada alind roh dere shakil da. Kwais? Ta'alu tijajuba. Ajad da kulu ga dasal da, they want to try to put you know, they want to try to put you down. They want to try to make you weak. They try so bad to make you weak. That's why they are doing it. Now they use their own brothers against you. But just continue, my brothers. Continuous. And God will watching you. God will help you. Nothing impossible. Allela de maafi mustamar ga zaman tawil fi kursi. Aya mustamar bomshi. Lakin anderna akilakum. Hajas mu denka da hayakun refugees fi Junuba Sudan da. Lo denka ma biga refugees fi Junuba Sudan da yameb gana Bashir. Sabduguni fi kalam no tu hachufu kalam da. Ana ma barha hajas mu janga Junub Sudan da lo yom. Yes good mina den sal fikir de. Hajas mu janga da wallahi lazim lo ma biga refugees. Ma yeb gana Bashir. Wallahi ma yeb gana Bashir. Shukran lakum ayyam. Peace out.